Let's have fun and learn.
Hello, my little friends. Welcome to English class. Today we will learn hello, hi, and bye. This is hello. Say hello with me. Hello.
Hello.
Good job. Hello means we say hi to someone. We can also say hi. Hi is short for hello. Say hi with me. Hi.
Hi.
Great job. And now we say bye. Bye means we go. Say bye with me. Bye.
Bye.
Good job. Look, the children meet in the park.
Hello. Hi.
And they go
Bye. Bye.
Now it's game time. Let's play. Which one is hello? Great job! Now listen carefully. I say a word. Bye. Great listening. Bye. See you soon, my friends. Bye.
Bye. Bye.